User experience has always been a top priority at SOLIDWORKS. Starting SOLIDWORKS 2018 displays a new welcome screen. You can get right to work creating new parts, assemblies, and drawings. Your recent documents are clearly laid out, ready to get you back where you left off, and you have immediate access to learning resources like My SOLIDWORKS. The new Assembly Open Progress Indicator lets you know exactly where SOLIDWORKS is up to loading your assembly. You are also given a handy Last Time Opened value. Gaining deep insight into how your assembly is performing and which factors are slowing you down is where the new Assembly Performance dialog excels. Folders are widely used in SOLIDWORKS assemblies, and folder icons are now color-coded to visually indicate which folders contain suppressed or hidden components. Mouse gestures are now more flexible. You can select from 2 right up to 12 mouse gestures to put key commands right at your fingertips. When zoomed into the model, a simple keystroke allows you to box or lasso select geometry or components, removing the problem of selecting unwanted background items. All these enhancements help you focus on day-to-day productivity, giving a richer user experience, greater efficiency, and delivering a great design with SOLIDWORKS 2018.